Assalamu alaikum everyone. So guys, when Luna Classic pump, majority of people in crypto community, they go to bed happy, right? Everyone have smiling faces, and when Luna Classic is smiling, everyone is smiling. When Luna Classic is not smiling, the whole crypto nation is sad. So today, Luna Classic is starting to smile again, but the smile is not like a very big smile. Let's actually draw a smile. How does a smile look like? Something like this, boom, and something like this. Damn, I'm a good artist, am I not? And then you have something like, damn, something like that. So, like it's just a little bit of a smile right now, but we need a bigger one, right? We need something like this where I don't know what I draw, but this is a very big smile, like whatever that is. Anyways, let me just do what I know how to do. Okay, sorry, man. I'll never go back to do something that I don't know how to do. Anyway, so thing is that on the daily time frame, I made a video 2 days ago saying that we are on the verge of a bull cross. Okay, it was really coming very close. The response was very tight. And if I show you now that you have the 4-hour time frame squeeze that is happening in all cylinders, so you can actually see that today you did drop down a little bit, but this was a trend line that I was looking at. So you have this one touch up, one touch up, one touch move up, and one touch and another move to the upside. So for me personally, I think this is where you go to the upside. Now June is also going to be even more interesting, I hope so. And on the month of June, you can see that this May is coming in as a green closing at the moment. So it actually indicates that next month we may have another big rally to the upside, hopefully. So that's all for the video. And yes, the technical targets that I'm looking forward to are 1680, 16,800. So we are currently at 12,000, but I do believe that this target is something that is realistic up to 16,892. That's going to be right over here because you have a lot of liquidity somewhere up over here. So this liquidity was taken away. We're looking for this next target. I do believe that the nearest one is going to be 14,272 and then eventually 16,892. Now there are chances we even cross above and even go up to 25,000 and whatnot. But once we do get to 16,000, we're going to talk about the next targets. So that's all for the video. Do make sure you're following the channel. And by the way, I am laying down the challenge that I need to get to 30,000 subscribers. You guys watch the videos, but you don't subscribe. But before my 27th birthday, I want to get to 30,000 subscribers, if not 27,000, right? And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one in the office.